Greetings, I am nothing and nobody, a resident of the Felinoid channel, and you can call me Felinoid. I've made some changes to the BBS, mostly cosmetic. They don't actually add any features to the BBS, just, make it a little more intuitive, easier to use. Okay. So basically, before, I had it set so the read command would automatically move to the next message. So you would just hit read from the main menu and just keep moving to the next message. But it's not intuitive. You wouldn't automatically know that that's how it worked. So that's an issue. So I changed it so that now it takes you to a second menu, and that menu gives you the option of help, next, post, or quit. And help just explains what these commands do. Oh, and back, in case you want to go back. But, next. Voila. Howdy, Felinoid. I admire your fine Telnet BBS. Simple yet sweet. Do you have plans for user accounts in the near future? The next comment is, I'm looking to focus on internals for a while before I nail down accounts. Of course, I do plan to have user accounts eventually. And that's the last message on the general subboard, so it drops me back to the BBS. Just drops me back to the menu. So it's a thing. And let's see. Change topic to tech. Read this. Now there's only one message here, so it doesn't give me the menu. It just drops me back straight to the main menu. I intend to alter some cosmetic features of the BBS. Then I'll focus on network protocols so I can have my BBS at home. That's ultimately the ultimate goal. Not to have the BBS hosted on a web hosting service, but actually have it sitting tangibly on your desk, physically in your control. And, have a website act as a relay. Have a server act as a relay, but I'll explain that another day once I got it working. Okay. Boom. Politics. And that is me trolling. Right. Hillary wants to build a wall to keep non-whites out of the United States. Trump wishes to prevent hateful speech with anti-hate speech laws. And, yeah. Anybody should be able to pick up what's wrong with that. Okay. 4, video games. All right. Yeah, read. Hey, folks, ever play? And I looked it up. It's a Japanese game and a Japanese manga and an anime game and anime manga, and it's one of those. It's actually some something that two companies came up with as a project, and the game and the manga play off each other. That whole thing. I've never played it. Okay, I had to look it up. So I really don't understand anything about it, but apparently this person does, and is asking, hey, if you want to respond to this person, log into the BBS and hit post. Okay. Now, as pointed out, all right, I do not have a proper editor on this, so it's basically you type the line, and then when you're done, you hit enter on a blank line. I fixed the bug where it no longer saves blank messages. You actually have to type something in for at least one line before it'll save. And that's it. Yay.